Yeah, this is actually it's 4th of July and the futures are still open. I thought they'd be closing, but they're still trading. So, and what I'm looking at is this this gold channel. I created a channel here. Actually, I can create a little bit narrower here, right here. What we did last week, we did a 4 hour. Let's do a 4 hour. 4 hour trend. It broke the trend. I got in on the second candle, went up. So I sold a put spread down here, made like $70. Now I'm waiting for this to break the. I don't want to necessarily make it a 4 hour, so I'm going to see the last 30 minutes. So like on the 30-minute channel, it's going to break. It looks like it's going to break this channel here. So I'm watching it closely. I'm getting ready to make a play on gold. That's what I'm watching for, to wait to make it break this in the next probably hour, 30 minutes to an hour. I'll wait. I'm not in a rush anyways. And then my other play, and then if this does break the channel, I'll probably sell the calls up here at like I said, the 1950 on July 14th. I gotta show it here. Here's what I'm here. This is what I'm going to play: the 1950 to 1960 spread. Sell the 1950, buy the 1960. Want to make at least $1,000 in potential profit, but I might, like I said, I might go out to the. I think the 14th. I was going to go out to the 21st instead to see if we can collect more. 15, 60. Let me clear it. I want to see if we can collect more, but let's see. 300. I might go out. I might go out 2 weeks. If we go out 2 weeks, we don't have to risk as much money, as much collateral. So it says we're risking 3,500 to make 15, and if we do this, but it's too far out, so I'm just gonna go on the I think the 12th, wasn't it? Yeah, the 12th. This one. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for gold to break this channel. If it doesn't break the channel, because it's basically lined up on this peak here, but this is a holiday week, so it's kind of hard to decide which way it's going to go. I'm just basing it off Nasdaq, NQ. I'm going to play this NQ play, or I'm going to play the gold play. Oh shit, it's going down. Let's see what gold's doing. Oh shit, it's getting close. It's still not on the 4 hour breaking the 4 hour trend, but it's getting closer to the 30-minute. So it's still too early to make my decision, but I'm still gonna make the play either way. I'm still gonna make the play either way. I'll probably make the July 12th. I'll sell some calls up here. Sell the call the 1950 and sell the 1960. And I'm probably just shooting for a little over 1,000. So I'm gonna shoot for this one. And so if I buy, so I'll sell 5 and buy 5 for for $1,100 credit, $1,150 credit. But I'm still waiting either this play or I'm gonna make the Nasdaq play here. Nasdaq play Where did it? Yeah, Nasdaq play here. I think it's going to head down, so let's see if we can make a, so 450, 15,400 to 15,450. So let's just go here, 14, 15,450. That's what we're looking for. $15,450. So that's about right at, it's right where the expected move is. Let's see. That's 20. Now I need to go 50. It's not paying. Let's go one down, 14,440. And then we can increase the quantity, which would equate. See, that's over my budget, so I don't want to do that. Let's go in a little bit. Go down. Yeah. So let's see what this is. 15,430. Oh yeah, this looks like it might work. 14,430. There's 430 up here. Oh yeah, that's about good. That's a good right there. That's the peak. So let's do that. Let's do that one. Yeah. So I'm gonna make the 15,430 and the 15,470. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, we'll do this one instead because it brings it over 1,000. So 15,430. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm going to be selling 7 of the 15,430s on July 5th tomorrow, and buying the 15,470s for. We're going to buy 7 of them, and we're going to get a potential $1,000 credit. We're going to get $1,000 credit if I do the play now, but there's no volume. Open interest here. That's the outstanding bets. So, and you can see the outstanding bets are high on this level here, 14,400. And there's a big one there at 14,450, which I wanted, but it doesn't pay enough. I'm gonna look on the downside. The downside isn't as big as the upside. See, I mean, people are expecting it to go down based. No, people are expecting it to go up based on this, but not up past this actual orange line here. This is the expected move. So this is the play I'd probably play. 15,430 for the Nasdaq, and then for the gold play, let's see if it's moving. All right, gold here. This is what I would play on gold. Let's look at our trading view. Oh, it just that's what I wanted here. Just touched this. See how it touched the channel? So I think gold's heading up then. Gold is heading up, and let's see what our play was. Yeah, here's our play. I might make this play right now, but I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes and see what happens. I might make this play here. This is what I'm going to play. That it's not going to go. It's not going to go back up to 1950. That was my original bet. So, all right, that's my plan. I'm going to probably still decide in another 5 to 10 minutes to see what I want to do. But I think it's going to probably bounce off this channel again and go up. So I'm going to be making a bet that it will not go up past 1950. About right here at the top of the channel right here. Yeah, that's it. Or what I can do is bet it's going to continue to go up, and yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm selling the calls and stuff. So I'm thinking that even if it stays within this channel, it probably will not breach 1950 per ounce. So that's my goal. That's my thought process. That's it. Those are my two plays: Nasdaq and Nasdaq and gold futures. Yeah, I see Nasdaq still staying within this channel here. So, but I think it looks like it may go down, but you never know. Nobody ever knows anything, but if it doesn't break this trend, it's still going to go down. So gold's going to go. So Nasdaq's going to go down. Gold's going to go up. That's it. Bye.